Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you honest, in-depth reviews of the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the HOMEK sturdy front door mat, which we believe is the best all-weather outdoor carpet for your home. Whether you're looking to protect your floors or give your entryway a fresh look, this doormat has got you covered in all kinds of weather conditions. This doormat is a heavy-duty solution for high-traffic areas. It measures 72 inches by 36 inches, offering ample coverage for your doorway. Made from polypropylene and equipped with a rubber backing, it combines durability with practicality, ensuring it holds up year-round, no matter the season. You can count on it to trap dirt, mud, and moisture effectively. The high-density woven design allows for superior dirt absorption, so your home stays clean and dry even on the rainiest days. One standout feature is its non-slip backing, which keeps the mat firmly in place. That means you don't have to worry about it sliding around, whether you're stepping onto it with wet shoes or kids running through the door. And the low-profile design ensures that your doors open and close smoothly, without getting caught on the mat. If you're someone who hates the hassle of cleaning, the HOMEK doormat will make your life easier. You can simply shake it out to remove debris, or use a vacuum for quick results. For a more thorough cleaning, just rinse it with a hose and hang it up to dry. It's built to withstand all seasons and is resistant to stains, weather, and fading. It can handle the harshest conditions without losing its quality or style. Another advantage is its versatility. It's perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether it's at your front door, patio, or garage, it'll keep up with the demands of your busy lifestyle. You can even use it in commercial settings or high-traffic areas where durability matters most. The HOMEK sturdy front door mat is available in several sizes, making it easy to find the right fit for your space. Its sleek, classic design blends seamlessly with any outdoor decor, while its weather-resistant features ensure it lasts through all 4 seasons. So, if you want a doormat that is built to last, protects your floors, and looks great while doing it, the HOMEK sturdy front door mat is definitely worth considering. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next review.